Brother, where is the spring? Where is the spring? Hadamoya? When Hadamoya? Aywa, shukran. Yeah. Yeah, shukran. I'm running out of time. I want to see this one. Whew. Yes, I got it. And we have baboon here. Dito po nagtago si Herodes. Andito na po kami sa Bethlehem. Ayun, may dalawang baboon na nag-aaway. So, here is it. The most awaited spring. The spring water. At least nakita ko. Picture. Aling hagdanan?
Yung maraming hagdanan na nakadikit sa wall.
Yes, have a lots of baboon here. Hello, wala ako, hindi ko nadala yung saging. Sayang. Saan kayo nag-work?
Purpose ng saging na breakfast na nga ang bebe.